In the previous video, we looked at proving the validity of a checksum value. Remember, we showed you how to calculate a checksum value and again how to prove whether the checksum value is correct or not. The steps are very simple as we demonstrated in the previous video. If you haven't watched that video, please click in the link right in the description below to watch that video. Right, so welcome to my channel Kudai Entertainment TV, where we focus on computer science, mathematics and ICT. Today we want to look at another method of detecting errors in data transmission, which is known as echo check. Echo check is a simple way of detecting for errors. It involves sending a message to the receiving person, and then the receiving person will have to send that message back again to the person who is sending the message or who has originated the message. If the person who has originated the message, if he checks for that message after receiving it from the receiving person, if he checks that message and if the message is the same as the one that he has sent to that person, then it means no errors has occurred. All right, let me repeat this again to you. Right, so let me repeat it with an example. Let's say I'm sending to my friend, right? I'm sending a message to my friend. Then after I have sent a message to my friend, then my friend will have to resend that message back to me, the original message that I have posted to him, and then I will compare the message I have received from my friend against the message that I have sent to my friend. And if these two messages, if they are the same, then I'll be in a position to say no errors have occurred during the process of transmitting this message to my friend. So this is echo check. So I just want to show you how it is done. You can come across a question which says implement echo check in a diagram, or draw a diagram to implement echo check. So this is what I'm going to show you. So let me just name these two devices, device A and device B. So this is A and we have B, right? So let me just write this message being originated by device A to device B, right? So in the first instance we have a message, so this message is going to device, right? So this message is going to device B. So let me just say to B, this is where it is going, and then the message says hello. That's the message, hello, how are you? Right, hello, how are you? Right, so this is the message being sent to device B. It says hello, how are you? Then device B receives the message from A. Then it says hello, how are you? Right, so before device B considers that this message is the actual message that was intended by device A, it sends the same message again to device A. So we can call this confirmation. So is going to A, then maybe confirmation, right? Confirmation, then the message says, hello, comma, how are you? Right. So this message will now be received by the sending device, which is device A. So this is now from B, right? So maybe it's labeled confirmation. Hello, comma, how are you? Now, then device A will now be in a position to say there were no errors, right? Because these two messages are the same. Device A is now comparing the message it is posted to device A against the message it is received from device B. So, and then here, right, like this. So this is the process of echo check. So in the first instance, we have got device A, which is sending a message to device B. Then the message is written, hello, how are you? And it has been received here by device B from A, hello, how are you? Then before device B considers this message as the actual message which was intended by device A, it transmits that message back to the sending device, which is device A. Then device A will now confirm, right? Device A will now confirm. So we can add another layer here. So to be confirm, then maybe you can say no, that's the message, that's the correct message. Then on this other side, the receiving device, again, we also add this layer. So now from A, confirm, I'm just shortening this word for confirmation, right? Confirm. So from A, confirm, then the message says that's the correct message. That's the correct message. Right. So this is the last phase of echo check. So let me just label this echo check. So this is how echo check is done. You know, there are three phases, right? The first phase, we are seeing the originating device originating a message and then sending the message to the receiving device, which is device B. So device A originates a message to device B which says, hello, how are you? And we are seeing the message being received by the receiving device, which is device B. And then the message is also written, hello, how are you? Then before device B considers this message to be the actual message intended by device A, it transmits that same message back to the sending device. Then the sending device now has got these two messages, right? He has got these two messages. It now compares the message sent to B against the message received from B, right? And then In this case, these two messages are the same. Therefore, it sends a confirmation to the receiving device, right? That the message you send me back is the actual message that I sent you. Then communication ends. So this is all about echo check. Echo check, it involves two devices communicating with each other. Then the sending device, it sends a message to the receiving device. Then the receiving device, upon receiving that message and before considering that message as the actual message which was intended, it sends that message back to the sending device. Then the sending device now has got two copies of messages. The one it is sent to device B, and then the one it received from device B. Then it compares the two messages. If they are the same or if they match, then it means no error has happened during the process of transmitting this message. So therefore, it advises the receiving device that the message you send me back is the actual message that I intended to send. Then at that point, it will be considered that no errors were made during the process of transmission. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my various social media platforms using the links in the video description below. Also, please consider donating any amount to me. The banking details are provided on the screen. This will make me continue, improving my videos as well as continue giving you more and more videos. Thank you very much.